welcome back to today's section where we will focus on basic arithmetic formulas in Excel. So this class is all about mastering the essential calculations, which is your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you use Excel built-in operations. So these are fundamental skills that form the building blocks for working with numbers in Excel. So by the end of this section, you'll be confident in performing calculations and combining formulas to solve real-world problems. So let's get started and dive into the world of Excel arithmetic. So now we'll be looking at so Excel provides built-in operators for performing fundamental calculations such as your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So Excel arithmetic operators, as you all know, and some of you that are just starting to learn Excel, so you have your addition, which adds numbers or values from cell. You have your subtraction, it subtracts one number or cell value from another. You have your multiplication, it multiplies number of values. And you have your division, which divides one number or cell value by another. So let's start. So to perform any calculation in Excel, you start with an equal to sign, your shift and your equal to sign. Just your equal to sign. So this tells Excel you are entering a formula. So use cell references or numbers to create the formula. Okay, let's start with addition, where we have A1 plus A2 plus B2. You have 26. Your A2 plus B2. You have your 26. So that's it, adds the value in cell A2 and B2 together. So if you change this to subtraction, you have what? You have your 20. So it subtract the value in B1, subtract the value from B1 from A1. So multiplication, you change this negative sign to asterisk. Your shifts plus your 8 depends on your the built-in of your laptop, your keyboard. So enter, you have 69. When you multiply 23 times 3, you have 69. So your division, you change this is your division sign. You have what? 7.666. so it divides the value in A1 by the value in B1. So let's perform some there are exercises for you to do after this class where you perform some basic calculations. So combining operators in singular formula, you can combine operators to perform multiple calculations in a single formula using parentheses to control the order of operation. Okay, I'm going to give you, just like we have your board maths where we want to calculate in mathematics, bracket of division, multiplication, and subtraction. You also have what is called your PEMDAS, PEMDAS, which is your parentheses, your exponents, your multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let me give you an example without parentheses, where you have equal to. Do not forget, this is when you are telling your Excel that you want to perform a calculation. Equal to A2 plus B2 plus B2 plus C2. Let me impute something here. So 38, we have 38. So it's add these three together, but if I'm to change this addition sign to multiplication sign, it will multiply the B1 and C1 first.